G'day all, welcome back to Frostbites GI JOE Repro. In this video, we're going to do Scarlett versus Scarlett. As you may have seen in the thumb for the video, it's two different classified versions of Scarlett. So what have we got? We've got the Scarlett from the Snake Eyes movie. And we've got Scarlett from, I believe, the first line, or the first run of the Classified series. Let me know in the comments if it wasn't the first line. Happy to learn. I'm not a massive Classifieds collector. I just sort of get what I can if it strikes my fancy. And more importantly, if it's a good price, then yeah, I'll snap it up and add it to the collection. But yeah, let's open some Scarletts. So first up, we're going to open this one. This figure was based on the actor in the Snake Eyes movie playing Scarlett. The packaging compared to the other Scarlett, so they're both sort of a cartoonish look. This one, you know, is obviously made to look a bit more realistic. Quite like the look on this one. Just that darker look around the packaging. As you can see, that's quite nice. And we've got a picture of Snake Eyes on the back. We've got our ratings down here. I know nothing about these ratings. If you'd like to learn more about the ratings, check out a Shark-Eyed Toy View on YouTube. That is one of my good mates, Adam, and he is a classifieds freak and loves all this stuff. He has all the knowledge, and I am just not good at the classified stuff. But yeah, let's crack her open and take a look. If you enjoy the video today, please don't hesitate to leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps me out. Got the insert. Bit of garbage there. Okay, here's what we're looking at. Probably the thing I don't really like about this is it is very simple. You've just got Scarlett and you've got her crossbow. That's it. Not a real bunch of excitement there. I know that's pretty much all she had in the movie, but you know, could have added a decent knife to her, or something else. I don't know, some rope, some extra arrows, something. Okay, let's get her out. Always commend Hasbro on their ability to keep their figures in their packaging, but it's also the thing that I'm not too keen on, because it is painful to get them out of the packaging, and then you more often than not are damaging the packaging to try and get them back in. Okay, so this is Snake Eyes movie Scarlett. Let's check out this crossbow first. It's obviously loaded. The arrow is part of the design. It's cocked back. That's part of the design. You can see the handle. And exactly what you see is what you get with that. Scarlett herself, can see, you know, she's got varied parts of armor around her body. They've gone to the point of nicely putting scuffing on the armor, but then no scuffing on other parts of armor. I don't know, like it's up here on the top armor, down on the bottom armor, but not on the middle armor or the pauldrons or you know, on her wrists. It's a bit odd, the color shading of it all. Nice colors on the pauldrons. I don't know why there's a red there but a yellow here, but the yellow matches that yellow, but that's not red. I don't know why that is like that. Normal articulation, arms, knees are fine. Can see around her waist there's a nice little bit of webbing, and it's actually separate from her body, not part of her mold. Waist movement, I'd say probably the biggest part of this character is the hairstyle. That's what you're expecting to see with Scarlett. So in the box, you know, you could sort of see these little parts coming off to the side, and you don't see the ponytail on the back. So the face sculpt on this figure is quite nice. And together with the haircut, I think they've done quite well with this figure. Let's get this in. Come on, Scarlett, you can do it. No, you can't. Okay. I'm really not a fan of placing weapons into these classified figures' hands. Okay. So there you go. This chest area is sort of a little bit similar to the way that they're doing the Black Series figures. Sort of an armored look. Okay, so there you go, that's Snake Eyes Scarlett. And now for the normal line Scarlett. That's what we're getting there. Come on, camera, focus in. Yep, there we go. It's hard to see, but you've got a bunch of knives over here. How is that in there? Ah, piece of sticky tape. Okay. I've got this crossbow. It's a lot different to this crossbow. I've never seen anything like this before in real life. Let me know in the comments if you have seen this before. Like, is this a real thing? Looks to me like they've once again, don't know if this is a real thing. Looks like they've made a compound bow version of of a normal hand crossbow. That comes off. That's interesting. I don't know why that comes off like that, but it's easy to put back in, and it's held in there like that. You can sort of see in here the normal spindle wheels that a compound bow would have. So it's obviously what they're going for. I have never seen that before in real life. Once again, please let me know in the comments if that is a real thing and you've heard of that before. So difficult to get out. Okay. So that's Scarlett. She's got a place for the knives. Yeah, one there. I can't see any of the other locations for knives. Just that one. They go on the back there. Alright, well, I'll leave the knives in there. You can see them there. Okay, so this version of Scarlett. Nice use of colours. We've got some brilliant reds, sort of crossed with the yellows, the browns. It's quite a nice smattering of colours. Thing that sort of confused me a little bit is, what are these? What are these? It's like jet boots or something. They're like little exhausts. It's really odd. I don't know why they're there, and there's even lines on there like they're an exhaust. I don't know what they're there for. But yeah, articulation of the figure is good. She has a utility belt there. She's got her throwing stars on her left arm there, the throwback to the V1 figure. That pauldron, I don't know about that. I don't know why that's there in that shape, sorry. On the back, she's got the spare arrows, and in the top, there's storage for, I'm gonna say, the second and third knives. Up here on the other part, on the other side, she's got storage for another knife in there. That's the other sheath, and it looks like she's got her JoeCom comms device up here. So as per always, she's rocking the banging haircut. She's got the awesome ponytail in the back. And the face sculpt on this is what I would describe as simple but beautiful. I don't know how we've gone from face sculpts like this to that Falcon mess. That screaming hot mess. This is almost a bit Kate Blanchett-y. And I love the two-tone in the hair there. That's great. So let's get that weapon in hand. Which one do you prefer? I think me personally, I think the non-Snake Eyes movie Scarlett is the favourite for me. This one here, I think's got, they've both got excellent face sculpts, but I think just the availability of the extra weapons, just the multiple tones in the haircut, more colours in the uniform itself, I think that's what leads to me to be the better figure. I know this figure is constrained pretty heavily by the look of Scarlett in the Snake Eyes movie, but you know, we're not here to justify things. I think this is just the better looking figure. Tell me in the comments what you think might be your favourite. But thanks so much for joining in today. Really appreciate you checking my content out. If there's anything that you'd like me to cover off on, open up, review, show you, just let me know. If you're not currently subbed, please hit the sub button. That's not begging, that's just being real nice. I would really appreciate it, and it keeps me motivated to keep making content for you. If you enjoyed the video today, hit that like button and just check out my future content. Like I said, let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Apart from that, thanks very much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.